Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit cocktail gelatin. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you can create a perfectly set and delicious dessert every time. This simple recipe is fantastic for gatherings or a refreshing treat at home. You'll discover how easy it is to combine vibrant fruit with smooth, wobbly gelatin, making a visually appealing and tasty dish that everyone will enjoy. Get ready to master this classic. To begin, you'll need just a few key items. Grab one large box of your favorite fruit-flavored gelatin mix, typically 6 ounces. Also, have one large 15-ounce can of mixed fruit cocktail, drained well. For liquids, prepare 4 cups of water, divided into 2 cups hot and 2 cups cold. Finally, ensure you have a sturdy mixing bowl and a whisk to combine everything smoothly. Now, let's get mixing. First, pour the gelatin powder into your large bowl. Carefully add 2 cups of boiling water and whisk vigorously for about 2 minutes until the powder is completely dissolved. Next, stir in 2 cups of cold water to cool the mixture down. Finally, gently fold in the well-drained fruit cocktail. Be sure not to overmix, as this can break down the fruit. Once combined, carefully pour your gelatin mixture into a 9 by 13-inch serving dish. Place it in the refrigerator and chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or until it is completely firm. A good test is to gently touch the surface. It should spring back. When ready, slice and serve this delightful, wobbly dessert. It's perfect as a light treat or a colorful addition to any meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.